Hello friends, welcome to the next lecture of this JavaScript lecture series, and in continuation with our last topic, in this lecture we are going to discuss our next method, which is called as get elements by tag name, which is used for DOM manipulations, and it is also one of the important methods available for the DOM manipulation. So as the name suggests, this method returns all the elements of specified tag name. Okay, in the last lecture we have discussed the get elements by name. So in that lecture, the get elements by name method fetches all the elements with the same attribute name. Okay, so we are talking about the gender. So that gender was attribute name, but in this lecture or in this method, what it does, it gets the elements by on the basis of the tag name. So to understand this, we are taking an example. Say we have a body tag. Inside the body tag we have one paragraph, and I'm taking some random value for the paragraph, say like this. So this is our first paragraph. Then we are taking next paragraph. I'm taking some another random values. So we have this one more paragraph which is saying some random text. Okay, and after this we have say I'm taking one h1 to say suppose heading, and after this heading I have taken one more paragraph saying the same value, some random values. So this is my HTML document which is containing 1, 2, 3 paragraph tags. Okay, so after this paragraph tag I am writing the code for button. So input type equals to button, value, say I said value name is count, and on click handler I want to call a function named as myFN1. Okay, so if I change my page, you can see we have this content, and at last we have this count button. So I'm writing the code for the myFN1. So myFN1, I want to count all the elements that are having the paragraph tag that are starting with the P. Okay, so to do this, I'll say where total equals, I would use document get elements by tag name, and here inside the attribute we'll have to specify the tag name that we want to fetch. So we'll want to fetch the paragraph tag. Okay, so as and when I call the method document.get elements by tag name P, what it does, fetch all the elements that are starting with the P and assigning it to the total. So to fetch the value from the total, what I'll do, I'll say total P tags are total dot length, just like I have done in the last tutorial. So if I refresh this page and if I count this, you can see we are having the total P tags are 3. Okay, so what this method does, it fetches all the elements which are starting with the P tag, which are having the tag name P, and it is returning this count to this total, and from this total variable by the with the help of this property length, we have fetched the total count length. Okay, so that's why if we are clicking here, we have been provided with the 3 paragraph tags. So it is saying total P tags are 3. So this is how get elements by tag name method works in DOM manipulations, and in the upcoming lecture we'll discuss some more properties and methods related to DOM manipulations. And if you have any doubt related to this method, you can ask in our comment section, and to support us, kindly subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.